I think say no gree for anybody this year don end o. I no know say some people carry am for chest say they go do am till this year 2024 go end. People like Emoney, Emoney dey vex. Hey, Emoney no dey joke this year. So Emoney don tender serious warning to popular Asaba actress Ruby Ojiakor over the way she dey mourn Junior Pope after the wife of Junior Pope unfollow her for Instagram and she, Ruby Ojiakor, unfollow her back. The thing shock Emoney. Emoney don tender serious warning. For people wey no know who be Emoney, na Anambra billionaire and music mogul. Hey, five-star music mogul Emoney and a very close friend to the late actor Junior Pope and im family, and the one person wey come out say im go train Junior Pope children based on wetin Junior Pope talk the last time wey im dey before im kpai. Say I get three children, na me go train dem, abeg o. So na why im take am unto himself say a friend like Junior Pope supposed to receive everything wey im deserve because na good person. So with that, im dey behind the family well well, solidly behind the family. But anybody wey do anyhow go collect from am. Na wetin I mean say im stand solidly behind the family. Like this now, e come be like say na Emoney be the mouthpiece of the home of Junior Pope. That is his wife and three kids wey remain. As im take dey tender dis serious warning to actress Ruby Ojiakor, im still use the opportunity dey ex ten d the warning to everybody wey dey Asaba or Nollywood wey try to bring up Junior Pope matter again in a way of chasing clout. Say e no like as dis girl Ruby Ojiakor now posing as like say na she need condolences pass the wife of the late actor. Say she don receive condolences pass the wife. She don carry the matter of Junior Pope for head. So e come be like say they dey refresh Junior Pope matter for the wife head wey dey mourn true true with im children. Say make e end, make she focus. If to say she get wetin she wan tell us concerning she and Junior Pope, if to say Junior Pope marry her secretly, make she come out come tell us. Or if to say Junior Pope na im get im pikin because she na baby mama of one, make she come tell us because e don dey suspicious. No be only Emoney tackle dis thing o, but make una no worry. I go carry una go to full details. Make una watch and see how all this thing take happen. But before then, hope say you don subscribe. Subscribe o. Hey, bye.
Hey, wait, don't play that video yet. Welcome to Lost TV. This is your home of all daily Nigerian trending entertainment news and gossip you need to see and watch. Yes, we keep you entertained 247. Yes, 247. So just subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified anytime we drop the latest we do concerning your news and trending gist. So roll the video now. Roll it.
Back to the matter. Nigerian actress Ruby Ojiakor has made headlines after a feud with movie producer Adam Maluk and colleague Nozares. Reported that Ruby observed that while the late actor's spirit had hardly rested, his close friend Babares reportedly already used the sad event that happened to him to create content. She accused the embattled movie producer Adam Maluk of not feeling guilt over the tragic incident but claimed that the late actor was begging her for roles. This ignited a series of back and forth from the opposing party amid an emotional video Ruby shared to show that she was praying for the deceased repose. Following the internet uproar, Junior Pope's wife Jennifer Awele Ogbono and Ruby Ojiakor have reportedly unfollowed each other on Instagram. While Lost TV is yet to understand what caused this sudden move, Emoney had come out to clear the air with a warning to actress Ruby Ojiakor. Let's look at some of the reactions on Junior Pope's and Ruby Ojiakor's wahala. So, Cici Lilo said Ruby Obasavi, just too much. Mark Dozin said, I just wish say Nigerians go know say make I no talk am before YouTube go ban this one. So Somi the Great said, I can't even imagine how the wife feels about all this. Gosh, she did well blocking her. Aquarian said, yeah, well, she was actually beginning to do too much. That's someone's husband. Hereby First Lady said, good, the wife blocked her. You cannot be crying more than the bereaved. International clout chaser. Plenty side talks there for this thing. But if you know watch how this Ruby Ojiakor start to dey drag other actors and actresses just to chase her clout, here is the video. Roll it. It will be so hard for the soul of late Junior Pope. Rest in peace. Hey, Omo. As I'm talking to you guys, they have actually started going to the burial ground of late actor Junior Pope to go and complain and cry to him of what is going on by some of their colleagues. Hey, omo, no peace for the dead o. I think say when you die, you go come get better rest in peace. Omo, even now for inside the death life, hey, there is no rest in peace o. Junior Pope never rest in peace at all. So the bestie of Junior Pope, actress Ruby Ojiakor. Wait o, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe abeg. To my old subscribers, how una dey? And I dey wish una happy good morning, good afternoon and good evening anywhere you dey watch me. Make we go back to the main details because this gist full my mouth.
We drop the latest we do concerning your news and trending gist. So roll the video now. Roll it.
So the bestie of late actor Junior Pope, that is Ruby Ojiakor, we all know say the two of them na better bestie from movie set to normal family friend and the rest of it. So Junior Pope, after im death, many things don happen. Even people no come in burial. Even people wey be say they think say go come, people like Regina Daniels no come. Even Baba Rest wey be Junior Pope own padi no come, and so many other people wey no come, wey shock im friends wey be say they dey expect to see them, they no come. Junior Michael wey people think say no go come, na him come attend the burial, come shock everybody. Na so Nollywood dey. So many hate and love on camera and off camera. So like this now, this particular girl Ruby Ojiakor don carry matter go cry on top Junior Pope burial. They report Junior Pope give Baba Rest and the lady that had the movie that by Junior Pope, that is Adam Maluk. She complained about these two people with her full chest. She call out Baba Rest over wetin Baba Rest go do. Wey Baba Rest go shoot skit just to use am trend with the death of Junior Pope. Him go shoot one short script to promote movie wey him dey shoot for Abuja. Him go to shoot movie for Abuja and the movie have a location close to water area. They decided to use the death of Junior Pope to chase clout so that the movie goes trend when e don drop. Na him this Ruby Ojiakor, this actress, cry report to Junior Pope say they don dey use your death dey ask it. If you watch the video wey Baba Rest drop, you go know say na Junior Pope in the mimic, and in dey show how Junior Pope love money wey make am act such movie for such water with such facilities wey dem bring. Make una see the video first. Roll it.
Abeg, no vex, yeah?
Sound camera confirm, bro.
Yeah, bros.
I'm rolling.
Don't leave me the ball, no vex. Obey the law. Don't leave me the ball, no. Don't leave me the ball. I get 3 children.
What's the blocking?
I said dive into the water. Into the water. You dive first. You go down there, then bring the treasure out.
Jesus, what is this?
Like that's what I need.
Okay, without press,
Yes, down there. Dive in. Go under.
Okay.
I
get
get 3 children. I go raise them. Yes. Then you pick the treasure.
Abeg, take
Come
a
out.
okay, treasure. You don't.
He did there. He's there.
Swag nation, see the risk we take.
Come on, action.
Don't speed. See the
Risk
risk we
Prince,
take.
you're wasting my time now. I said dive into the water.
Right
Go
on the
there
right.
and bring the treasure.
On River Niger.
I don't understand. I read the script. I don't see any place where they say
You
dive in. The script. The inspiration just came now. Dive in.
Swag nation.
Yeah, dive in. Oba, my guests are not come out.
You are wasting my time.
I am begging the captain that I bring the treasure and I have 3 boys. I will raise them. Yes, Captain, God bless you. You should not come down with the speed. No.
See, an actor's prepared. Me, I'm not prepared. I want to understand what we really did.
Yes,
I said listen to me. You are wasting my time. Dive into this water. Go in. Go, my friend. Be very careful. Okay. You have to dive, not me. I'm not following you now. Okay. So, listen. Dive into the water. Go to the other side and bring the treasure. Okay, now, director, please. With all due respect, can you dive in? Because the word dive, I never really. You dive in. I'm not an actor. Okay. You have been paid for this job. I am not an actor. Dive into the water and then go to the other side and bring the treasure. Oh, simple.
Excuse me, D. No problem. D, please. D, sorry. Can you come and show us?
Just show us. You dive in.
I am not an actor. I'm a director. I can't be diving. You are an actor. You were paid. Go in.
Go in. You are wasting my time. You are still rolling. Yes. Roll it.
All right, too early. My mother said it.
Okay.
Action. Yes, just go. Go close to the water. Go close.
But why you no first dive?
Dive where? Am I an actor? Get out, my friend. Am I an actor?
I mean, if at least someone will make me not be actor, I mean, I'm gonna cut the film. You go dive.
You don't watch the video now, you don't see and confirm say na true Baba Rest use Junior Pope to chase clout. Na bad Junior Pope in do that thing. How in take by. Now coming to the matter, she still talk about Adama Luke. How Adama Luke take the tell people say Junior Pope was begging her for movies, saying help Junior Pope. But like this now, they don't put am like say him be Junior Pope enemy. Make I show now wetin she write. She talk say by Ruby Ojiakor. She talk say I came to pray specifically for you, superstar Aba Swag. Your legacy will never be forgotten. I also want to let you know that Baba Rest, your own man, has started using what happened to you as content to everybody they find their belly. No one cares if only you listen to me. Again, Adama Luke, instead of feeling guilty for what happened to you and others, she was busy telling the whole world how you were begging her for jobs. I believe you can understand better how wicked the world is. May the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of Christ rest in peace. It is well with my soul. Omo, na this thing where she post, where she call out their names. People where they use Junior Pope chest clout. Now so she do make I even play the video how she carry picture of Junior Pope go to the statue of Virgin Mary where the Roman Catholic people they call grotto. Go pray. Make una watch the video. Roll it.
Burial levy to the sweet people, but to help the first people. I've done my findings. My eye don't open. If you die, then go come out. That boy was good. All in songs, they sweet to me. They sweet to me. Everywhere now your video. So now that boy sing that song as if they never knew. This world is so cold. Help me make I help others. And others go help others. Everybody go they alright. Nobody go drink garri. I be now when you hear. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Oh, yeah. So now that time you go buy motor. You go build a mansion for my family. You go bring money. I be now when you hear, yeah. Rest in peace.
Oh. Till I don't see this video now. Now don't confirm say Ruby na really bestie. But some people now they talk say she myself use her own chase clout. Say this thing now where she drop na still clout she use am chase. Say she dey hardly get more than 1,000 comments, but any post about Junior Pope they give am close to 2,000 comments. Say she dey chase her own clout too. For the internet space, anything wey you do, people go talk. But for me, I see sincere love from Ruby Ojiakor. She's a good friend to keep. You watching me, wetin you go talk over this matter? Make I know your own take over this. And if you are new and you still dey contemplate to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Na beg we dey beg you, because we no go disappoint you with better gist and latest story wey dey happen for the industry and for Nigeria in general. No forget to sing the new national anthem as Monday don reach. Nigeria, I hail all of una. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.
Because of you being absent, I know because of what happened. But as I come back, I pray that God will enlarge the coast. It's not. That's
Rose, thank you. Thanks for coming.
That's not coming to you now. So,
Bring wine now.
I beg you, don't want wine. Now we supposed to bring one question right for yourself.
Thank you so much. Wow. Oh my God.
I am with you now.
She's fine. Royalty! Come and greet Uncle. Royalty, come on. Hey! My God. Royalty! Greet Uncle.
Hey, how are you? How are you?
My God.
Oh
my
I beg you.
Oh my God.
Just small because.
It's not small, Lord Jesus. Hey, God, I beg you. Mama. Hey.
Just a little gift from you, Nico.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I know I'm only child anyway. I lost my elder brother, so I know how it is when you lose someone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And sometimes someone very, very close to you. And, yeah. You know, people ask, I'll be Gideon married to come right? I know how that. I know how it is. Yeah, they won't. Sorry.
Thank you.
Right, so I have to leave you and go. Yeah, this
Alright, sound camera confirm rolling, please. I'm rolling. Rolling. Alright, my mother's secret, master shot and a medium to 2, take 1.
Action!
What's the blocking?
I said dive into the water. Into the water. You dive first. You go down there, then bring the treasure out.
Okay,
That's what I need. Yes, down there. Dive in, go under till the other side.
Okay.
Yes, then you pick the treasure and come out.
Okay, treasure. You don't treasure.
He's there. He's there.
Drop on there.
Hurry up, please. Action!
No, that is an.
Please, you're wasting my time now. I said dive into the water, go there and bring the treasure.
The blocking is not clear to me, sir.
I don't understand.
I read the script. I don't see any place where they say.
You know the script, the inspiration just came now. Dive in.
Okay, you just get the question.
Yes, dive in. I'm making film, dive in.
Is it the middle or the end?
You are wasting my time. I said dive in here, go to that, swim to the other side and bring the treasure out.
Okay.
Ready.
Let's go. Rolling.
Action!
I beg, no vex here.
Right up.
Yeah, bros.
I'm not prepared. I want to understand what you
I said
Don't leave me
listen to
the
me.
ball,
You're wasting my time.
Don't leave me
Dive
the
into
ball. I
this
got
water.
3 children.
Go in.
I got 3 children. I be go raise them.
You have to dive, not me. I'm not
Yes,
going
I'm
to now. So
Jesus.
dive into the water, go to the other side and bring the treasure.
Okay, now, director, please, with all due respect, can you dive?
I got 3 children. I be go raise them.
You dive in.
I'm not an actor.
Okay.
You have been paid for this job. I am not an actor. Dive into the water, then go to the other side and bring the treasure. Simple.
See the risk we take, people. To to entertain you. Live on the right.
Just show us. You're diving.
I am not an actor. I can't be diving. You are an actor. You were paid. Go in.
Swag Nation,
Go in.
oh, my test I don't come out. I'm not joking.
My mother said
The
for
risk we take to entertain you. I am begging the captain that I'm the only child and I have 3 boys. I will raise them. Yes, so Captain, God bless you. You don't come down with the speed.
Am I an actor?
this one make me look like a
Thank you. I go by the name Black Mamba. Don't forget, I thank God for my subscribers, my phone, and my sub. If you like, if you comment, if you subscribe, I'll keep thanking God for you. I love you all.